Moving from an apartment to a house? That's a big and exciting step. More space, more privacy, and maybe even a backyard, but it also means more planning. Here are some helpful tips to make the move smoother and stress-free. First, take inventory of what you already have and what you'll need for your new home. Houses often have more rooms and outdoor areas, so think about furniture, tools, and household items you might be missing. But don't rush to buy everything at once. Live in the space for a bit before deciding what's truly necessary. Next, measure your new rooms and doorways before moving day. Make sure your furniture fits where you want it to go and plan ahead for anything that might be tricky to move inside. This saves time and prevents frustration later. Then, use the opportunity to declutter. Moving from an apartment is the perfect time to get rid of things you no longer use. Donate, sell, or recycle items instead of filling your new home with unnecessary clutter. Plan your utilities and services early. You'll probably need to set up water, electricity, internet, and maybe lawn care or trash collection, services that might have been handled by your apartment complex before. Once you move in, take your time settling. Don't feel pressured to unpack everything in a single weekend. Focus on the essentials first, like your kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom, and then work your way through the rest. And most importantly, enjoy the change. Moving from an apartment to a house is a big milestone. With a bit of planning, you'll settle in comfortably and start making your new place truly feel like home. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.